3, 2, 1.
They're taking a million years to get our food ready.
That's okay. Oh, I love you.